Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Barkaj Vidit. Today, May 31st, 2022. I just wanted to show you my day view. It's a beautiful Long Island Sound now. It was hot weather and ocean is now a bit rougher because the wind is blowing. You can see the night view of the Bayville. Ocean, if you can see, I'm not sure it will be showing here. So, and definitely I was going to go to visit my cousin today, and obviously it's like a and you can see this my radio is playing such a wonderful symphony. You can hear. I just feel like to dance and swim with this music and the water. Bayville, New York, Long